Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm one of the developers of the CubeLens app. Today I want to show you how you can use the app to solve your magic cube and how you can learn how to solve your magic cube. First, let me start the app. When you start it, you're gonna get an explanation screen, but today I'm gonna show you in person how it's done. So let's skip that. To start, we're gonna scan the cube. For this, just hold the cube in front of your camera and rotate it a couple of times. So the scan is already complete. Now you can choose which way you want to use to solve the cube. Right now, we give you two ways to solve the cube. One is the AI solution, which is the fastest way to solve the cube, but you cannot really learn much. We also want to teach you a systematic method to solve any magic cube. For this, we have the layer by layer method, LBL. So let's use this method to solve the cube. You're gonna get more explanations. You can use the app in two ways. You can use our tracking with the camera, where you will get the instructions overlaid over your camera image, or we can just show you a virtual cube with the instructions. I'm going to explain both methods to you. So let's solve. We hold the camera so we can see the cube and start the LBL method. The first step of the LBL method is to create a white cross on top of the magic cube. This is going to be 4 moves. So let's do this. First 4 moves are gonna align the white and green cross. So now you can see we get the instructions overlaid over our cube. So we just have to turn the magic cube according to the green arrow here. So let's do 1 turn. Here you can either hold the phone in one hand and use your other hand to manipulate the magic cube, or you can take just a phone holder, or in my case a cheap cup, to place the phone and then use both your hands to manipulate the cube. This is for me the most convenient way. So now we have already completed the 4 moves to complete the first sequence of the white cross. You can see we have the white cross here. Now we're going to work on the white corners. For this I want to show you the other way how to use the app. You can place your phone on your desk, and we're going to switch to a virtual cube where you will see the instructions. For this, just align the cube with what you see in the phone and follow the arrows. In this case, we have a double arrow, which means we need to turn 180 degrees in this direction. 1, 2. And then we confirm by pressing the forward arrow here. So we're going to turn one way in this direction and one way in this direction. Great, we already completed the full sequence. At any time you can pick up the phone and continue with our camera overlay. Great, so that's what I wanted to show you, how to use the CubeLens app. I hope you enjoy, I hope you can learn how to solve your magic cubes, and let us know what you think about the app.